佢有利促進。
Well, I support this bill because that would facilitate the trading of RMB stocks. In fact, as the hub for RMB business is very promising because after the Ukrainian war started, I think they're using currency as the weapon. And the Federal Reserve has also hiked interest rates. And for emerging markets are using US dollar as the transaction currency. They have also started to look at other alternative currencies as the trading currency. And with the RSC extension, that could also further promote the development of our links with the mainland. And in terms of policies, the mainland has already adopted internationalization of RMB as their state strategy, and therefore I'm sure there will be further development in the RMB business. And therefore, what we need to look at is the policy direction. I think there are 4 directions to look at. First, we will have to promote a cross-boundary flow of RMB currency so that we can increase our capacity in managing RMB trading. So that in accordance with the relevant regulations, we should also set up more fundraising channels for RMB. And the threshold can also be lowered, and there should also we should also set up a pool for RMB trading, and the limit can also be raised. And in fact, the Finance Ministry would also be looking at issuing more RMB, and that could also become a norm. And RMB denominated bonds can also be traded in the market, and that would also increase its liquidity. And also, the RMB denominated products should also be promoted. We expect that the mainland will continue to support Hong Kong's financial institutions to innovate on RMB related products and also risk arbitrage products, and also RMB denominated and wealth management products can also be promoted. We should also issue RMB bonds, and also commodities can also be settled in RMB, and also the Belt and Road Initiative should also have a risk management platform set up so that we can satisfy the needs by our customers on RMB products. And also, we should also promote the RMB business, and also Hong Kong's offshore RMB platform can also be deepened and broadened so that there can be more use of RMB across the boundary. And we should also issue green bonds, and in doing so, we can also include RMB denominated components so that we can also increase the scenarios or context in using offshore RMB. And we should also step up the connectivity with the RMB market. So I suggest that we should liaise with the mainland authorities on the several connect schemes, so that for Stock Connect and also Bond Connect and also Wealth Connect, and also for the southbound trading of Stock Connect, we should also have RMB denominated stocks, and we should also look at the risks and also the expected return for investors, so that investors can also take part in such trading under the Stock Connect, and the types of bonds could also be broadened. And also in the GBA, we should also set up the after-sales center for insurance products, and the RMB denominated services and products can also be introduced, and that would also boost the use of RMB denominated products. RMB has already become one of the strategic developments in the mainland, and Mr. Xi has also emphasized the importance of that. We have to seize this historic opportunity so that we can also align ourselves with the GBA, and that we would also be able to seize the opportunities under the BRI. I expect that the ASEAN government will be able to take advantage of these opportunities, so that other than what we're going to do under the bill, that is with the DCMM scheme set up, we should also promote the further development of RMB business here.
Mr. Chen,